Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Joshua Lead and Iron, and today we're doing an unboxing for something to help me stream. So I've been getting into streaming. I really enjoy, playing online with my friends. We've been playing Warzone, and there's times where there is like a echo coming from a microphone, and I have no idea what it was. So I figure I would just try to find a better audio source, and that is in this box right here. As you can see, it's kind of large. So what we have here, and I might have spoiled it in the thumbnail, but we'll see, is the solution that I hope really works. And I'll explain also why I got this as well, because there's other reasons, not just streaming. I mean, streaming is a big part of it. There's more to it as well. As we all know, there's times that we all maybe podcast, do other things like that, and I've been really looking to move towards a better quality audio and video as I grow. So I figured it was time that was the padding, guys, for real. That what you just saw. It was time for something more than just like a budget audio source. So I have decided, since I love this lavalier mic that I got from Deity, I wanted to go ahead and just keep going with Deity. The sound sounds amazing. Everything that I saw online and other YouTube channels, they all said really positive things about this VO-7U. It is a dynamic microphone that's USB-C, and it seems to be marketed towards streamers because there is RGB on here. There's a light ring, this RGB. But what really wanted me to go this route was how amazing this sounds coming out of my TV, coming out of my speakers on my PC, and everything and everyone that had reviewed these were blown away. And I was looking at the MV7, but that was running between $220 to $250, and that just included just the microphone. That means you'd have to still buy a stand or a boom arm. I have a boom arm, but it's like a cheapy boom arm, and I knew that it probably would not hold this microphone up. So I opted for this. It was a boom arm with the VO-7U, and it was only $199. I say only, yes, it sounds expensive, but for the quality that was coming out of this microphone, you guys are going to be like, okay, that was only $199. I thought about even getting like the SM7B, because that's a great microphone. A lot of people use it, but it's XLR, and then I need an audio interface and probably a better cable. So I decided, you know what, I do want to keep within a reasonable budget, but also not necessarily accept a lower quality of audio because of it. And I think this is it. I think this is it right here. The home run. It comes sealed with Deity and their QR code on the back. And now, you know what? I don't even know why I put my knife away, because I'm going to use that to get underneath here. There we go. All right. I'm glad I did that. Get out. And put my handle back down. And now we got to open this guy. There we go. Oh. There's just something about new technology, the way it smells. I have no idea why I like it like that, but I'm not the only one. So here we got our instruction booklet, and it seems that it comes with little Velcro ties, so you can run the cord along your boom arm and kind of hide it that way. Pretty clever. We have this is like a really cool thing too, our mount, desk mount. Pretty heavy duty. I like that it feels, this piece alone is heavier than my whole boom arm, my old boom arm. So quality, nice thick metal. I like that it comes with a headphone holder, so I don't have to like drape it across my monitor anymore, or my PS5 or whatever. I can just put it here, perfect. So that's that. We do get our USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And even better, if you don't have Type-C or don't have access to Type-C yet, you can do Type-C to Type-A or 2.0, USB 2.0. Well, that comes in handy. Looks like it says something spring loaded, caution, spring loaded. All right, our boom arm. Oh, okay. This feels really nice. You can tell that this is way good quality. It's not, you know, really cheapy. Also comes to hold that. It's not really like a cheapy feel. There's no springs exposed. It looks like they're all here and here. Oh, this is nice. So as you grow, or if you need to, I want to make a video of all the mistakes I've made starting this channel. And I don't really want to say that they're mistakes, because it was a learning curve, especially when you're like getting into it and you don't know if you're going to necessarily long-term it. Maybe it's not for you, maybe you pivot, but you buy a lot of stuff and then a lot of stuff ends up not being used as much as you thought it was going to be used. Or when you pivot, you realize that you're missing a piece that you're supposed to have. All right, so here we go. Wow. The gem. Yeah, this definitely was not going to be able to be held up by my other boom arm. I'm so glad I went this route, because this guy's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. It comes with a nice foam cover. I'm going to take that off. Wow, this is pretty nice, guys. And I know this top comes off. Yeah, see? So you can clean it, and you're supposed to talk into the top of this. It's a dynamic microphone. Another reason I got it is because I've been using condenser mics and they sound a little tingy sometimes. And then you got the top here like that. Really nice. I'm gonna cover this back up, screw this back on. Yeah, so far with the quality, I'm very impressed. Very impressed with this. You can just feel it's an all, I want to say aluminum maybe body. I don't even think that's not, there's literally the knobs and this little plastic ring is, well, in this too, in this cage. No, not even the cage. The rest is all metal, all aluminum, I think, or steel or whatever it is. But man, and another reason I like this is if you look down here, you can see that there's a Type-C and a headphone port, so you can listen real time to how you sound. That's important to a lot of people, especially if you're doing audio, you know, quality stuff. Here we also have a mute button. You can mute yourself right there, and it's supposed to turn red and blink red when it is on mute. You have your headphone gain control right there, and you have your microphone gain right here. And my understanding was, when I was doing my research, is there's a built-in, it's like if you peak too high, it automatically comes in and quiets it down for you, which is really nice, because I'm just getting into this, so I don't know how to set my stuff, and eventually I will, but for now I don't know what I'm doing, kind of. And I think there's going to be a lot of us that are going to be in that, especially if you're just starting out. Man, for $200, the quality already. My other microphone cost me like 40 bucks, maybe $30. 2 years or 3 years ago, and I thought it was nice. I mean, it is nice. It's a condenser mic. It has a little bit of weight to it, and I thought that's how all microphones were going to feel. And now, as I handle this really feels very, very, very good quality. I'm pretty amazed how nice this feels. It's amazing. You get what you pay for, and right now I feel it. I feel how good quality is supposed to feel. That's it, guys. It looks like everything's out. Cover this back up. I have a storage box. I don't get rid of boxes. You never know when you're going to need them. If you ever move, at least you have your boxes for your PCs, your monitors, your microphones, and they're protected as they move along. As you saw, that there was a piece of crumpled up paper that was there. That was a packing. So I'll put this to the side. We're gonna open this up right here, this one. I kind of don't want to drop that. The bell of the ball. And if you want to know if I'm happy with Deity, I love this. This lav mic sounds so good to me. All right, nice and long. Now I want to feel how the spring feels in this, and I'm about to feel it, and I'm gonna let you guys know in real time how it feels, if it's smooth or kind of janky. Oh no, that's nice motion. Yeah, you guys would be happy with this. Man, why did it take me so long to realize quality? Wow. Stiffer to move back down, but you want that. You want that. It's nice. Collapse is nice. There's no like noise that comes with like springs, especially like in the cheapy boom arms. No, this feels good. Stretches open, closes back, and then here you put it in your base, which I think is this top. Yeah, right there. All right. And then let me close this back up. Here you loosen, and this is where you screw your microphone in. So we go in here to that. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. Screws in. All right. Not bad. All right, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, and then we're going to run a sound test on it. I want to run a sound test with not just the USB-C to USB-C cable. I want to run a sound test with the USB-C to the USB 2.0 cable. I want to see if there's a difference in quality because, as you know, you can push more data through a USB-C to USB-C. So we'll do that. That way you guys get an idea what it sounds like on both. And I'll also set this up to where I'll show you how I run this. So I'll go ahead and read through this manual. I'll put all this stuff up. I'll put my boom up, arm up on my desk. I'll screw on my microphone in, and then we'll come back to audio. There's going to be like screen recording as well, but I also wanted to show you the audio of this and how it sounds. So I'll be right back. What is up, guys? This is Joshua Lead and Iron, and today I am pretty much using my Deity. Not pretty much, I am using my Deity mic for the very first time. I just got done with the unboxing video. One thing that I was really surprised about was the weight of this microphone. This is a dynamic microphone that seems to be aimed towards streamers. I'm starting to get really into streaming. I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Now, there's a little bit of a shock when you go look for dynamic microphones, and especially if you start out like I did with Shure. That's the sun side of my face. The sun is going down, and I like natural light sometimes. You're gonna get a little bit of a sticker shock when you start really looking into higher quality sound microphones. I say higher quality sound microphones because there's some really expensive mics. This is probably getting into like the entry level of better quality microphones. When I first started out, I had a microphone from VO-7U. It's the BM800. Decent little condenser mic. Little tingy, like you can hear that tinginess. And I think it's because it picks up sound all the way around kinda. And while this is more focused just on my voice, on the things that I want to put out, and not necessarily the stuff all around me. I think this also helps with, like, if you have an echo in the room and stuff like that, it helps with that as well. And I know this microphone just from watching like other YouTube channels. I know that this microphone has an analog limiter. So what that means is that when it starts getting loud, it limits the amount or the volume that is coming in, so you avoid that clipping noise. I thought that was pretty awesome. I know this also has a headphone jack, so you can listen to yourself in real time. So you plug it in. You also have this gain knob right here, and you have a gain knob over here as well to control your gain on your microphone and your headphones. Another thing I like about this is it has RGB. So RGB microphone, I think that was pretty cool. There's a little mute button right here, and I'll show you what it does. It turns red and it starts blinking. I'm gonna bring this back down a little bit. It's still new, still kind of getting used to getting moved around and stuff. Down, there we go. A little bit out of the way. Adjust it again. There I am. So what came in this box, you saw earlier, it was just the boom arm, the microphone, the two USB cables. So I got a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB 2.0. You can also get a standard box, which is just this microphone and like a little tripod stand. I opted for the boom arm because I can move it out of the way when I'm not using it, or, you know, if I don't necessarily need it like right in front of my face, or while the tripod like always has to sit there. Another thing this helped me do was get away from putting my headphones like on the desk or on my PS5 and stuff, because it has a little headphone holder that's built in. It's all right here on the edge on your table clamp. Really cool. like exceptionally cool. I thought that was pretty awesome. So one thing I was looking at was the Shure MV7, because it's a very similar mic as USB-C to USB 3.0 or USB-C, I don't remember. And it also has a headphone jack, so you can listen and monitor in real time. That's important, especially if you're conducting, like Zoom meetings, or you want to make sure that your stream's on point. You can plug your headphones in, you're good. Plug your headphone in, listen to the quality that's coming out of your microphone. I also opted for this boom arm because I knew I was going to need one. One of the things, like I said, that really shocked me was the weight of this microphone, and the boom arm I had was in no way at all would carry this microphone and hold it up. It just wouldn't. It was that heavy. I was shocked. This Deity is very, very, very good quality. Everything is metal. Everything is metal except for maybe like this ring right here, the RGB ring, and the mute button, which is rubber. Everything else is metal. I was so shocked. Also, it was really cool. Like, I was like, okay, this is good quality stuff here, which I wasn't necessarily too surprised, because I do have Deity, like the Pocket Wireless Go, that go on to my DSLR camera. I have an idea of how much quality Deity puts into their products. I also like the name. I mean, Deity is really cool. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be very happy with this microphone, and I'm pretty sure I would probably say 95% sure that you guys would also probably want this microphone if you're in the market for a microphone. Now, I wanted to show you, like, this is what a quick look at the VO-7U. It has 12 unique colors for your RGB. You can cycle through them holding the gain button of the microphone, and you turn it on and off with the gain button of your headphones. Like I said, it's a dynamic microphone, really nice, all metal body. This pivot is really smooth, but also doesn't move at the same time, if you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't just move around because it's just hanging there. Already, quality wise, I'm very happy with this microphone. The bass, the clamp for your boom arm, man, they really went all out for this. It's really nice. It was just kind of shocking. Now that I have this here, though, I'm going to have to rearrange my desk a little bit, so I'm going to have to really do some cable management. But I'm also going to do a quick stream on Twitch. One, so I can hear what my microphone is sounding like, and two, I just kind of want to give it a try on Twitch and see what it sounds like. If there's anything else that you guys want to know about this microphone, like, I don't know if you're in the market for one, but let me know in the comments. I mean, shoot, I'll try to get it done. And see, here it is for best mic for bedroom podcasters. I think as we go along in technology and stuff, I mean, we can literally run a whole podcast stream studio all in our house, get really good quality out of stuff now that we can do. I mean, we can do stuff in our home. Here's all the colors of the RGB 360, a slow wave, white, purple, red, a candle effect, which I saw, yellow, neon green, ocean wave, cyberpunk pink, which is this, breathtaking RGB effect, RGB heart-shaped waterfall. So that's that. USB-C, like I said, USB-C to USB-C. It also comes in white. So I know there's a lot of people that have like all white builds. This would also, it comes in all white. It does. Unfortunately, the tripod is black, but I know the boom arm is white, because I was looking at it and I was just like, I don't necessarily have anything white other than my PlayStation 5. So I opted out for this. That's that boom arm kit. You see that bass right here? That thing is like, it's thick, son. Like I said, it comes to $199. That's everything that came in the box. And there's that white boom arm I was telling you, it comes in all white. Pretty cool. Now, if this is your first interaction and hearing like a Deity microphone, one, thank you. I think it'd be really cool that I be the one that kind of shows you what Deity can do. But two, now you have an idea of what Deity can bring to like your stream or your podcast, or heck, anything. It could be your Zoom meetings. It could be anything. It all depends on what you're using your audio for. Anyway, guys, if there's anything else you want to know about this microphone, anything at all, I'll try to do it. Just let me know in the comments. I try to read every single comment. Sometimes one or two slip by me, but I also try to respond to every single one of them. I really do. So, we can chat about it. Tell me what you want. Maybe you want to put it in like a different setting, and I'll try to get it done. This is my voice check for this Deity VO-7U. It's been fun hanging with you guys. I gotta go because my back hurts.